Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a flower bouquet with wrapping paper. Firstly, cut 20x26-inch rectangle of wrapping paper. Place the paper face down on your table, then lay 2 sheets of tissue paper over the wrapping paper, covering the entire surface. Arrange your flowers in your hand, placing greenery on the bottom and flowers on top. Adjust as needed, then turn the paper diagonally so the corner points upward. Place the bouquet diagonally into the tissue paper with the stems pointing toward the bottom corner and the blooms towards the top. Slide the tissue paper about 1 inch peaks over the top edge for a decorative touch. Now fold the left corner of the wrapping paper diagonally over the bouquet toward the center and fold the left corner again. Now fold the right corner diagonally and fold the right side again to secure it with a package like tape or stapler. Flip the bouquet over, fold the pointed bottom, wrap a pretty ribbon, string or raffia around the stem and tie it in a bow. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.